Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'm making one of my favorite all-time Southern classics, chicken fried chicken, smothered with white country gravy. Now, if you love chicken fried steak, then you'll definitely love this chicken fried chicken. So stay tuned and check it out on this episode of Cooking with Gerald. But at that higher temperature for a longer period of time while you're frying, if you're frying a whole bunch of chicken. Otherwise, what happens is the flour from off the chicken, excuse me, from off the chicken gathers at the bottom and forms all these crumbs, and that's what dirties up the grease. And as you continue to cook, the grease gets darker and it starts to burn and burn easily. So I'll be back. Hey guys, while I was waiting for my oil to get hot, I made me some chicken cracklings, which these are very delicious. When I took the skin off the chicken, cleaned all the fat off of it, and cleaned it up really good and dried it out really good. And put them in the oil. These right here, oh my goodness, are extremely delicious. And it's hard to find these in the grocery store. If you haven't tried them, you should try some. They're actually really, really good. So what I'll do is put some lemon pepper seasoning up in here. And keep these for a snack for tomorrow. These are going to be really, really good. I do want to taste one. Yep. Like I said, good. All right, guys, so our oil is ready. I'll let these cook for about 10 minutes until they brown. Nice golden brown. All right, just about a minute or so, and these will be done. Alright guys, so the internal temperature for both of these is 165. It's going to be a nice golden brown. Beautiful, just beautiful. Alright, so I need to take my grease off the stove, let it cool for a little bit so I can change it out. And I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I let my oil cool down so that I can drain it and wash out my skillet. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the gravy. I have 2 tablespoons of butter. This is not margarine, this is actual butter. You want to make sure you use a fat when you're actually making gravy. Alright, so I have my onions and some garlic clove. Let that saute for a little bit. Cook, get the rawness out of it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of flour. This is from my seasoned flour. And whisk. And with this, you do not, I repeat, you do not want to let this get brown because this is a white gravy. All right, just going in with the milk. Some heavy cream. That's about 1.5 cups all together. No, this is about 1 cup. This is about 1/2 cup for the what do you call it? For the milk, and about 1/2 cup for the cream. So it's about 1 cup. And I'm going to end up putting some water in there as well to thin it out a little bit. Once it comes up, all right guys, so this is thickened up. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little broth in there. And let that come up to temp and thicken up. Meantime, I have my seasonings. For me, I'm using an all-purpose, but usually with this type of gravy, you want to use regular table salt or any type of white salt, kosher salt, whatever it is, and black pepper. You should be able to see the specks of black pepper in there. With this white gravy. Actually, that's perfect. Doesn't need anything else in there. Just needs to come up to temp and thicken up, and we'll be done. All right, guys, so as you can see. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Don't forget to share this video with as many people as you can, as well as leave me some comments. Let me know, do you love fried chicken? What's your favorite? Until next time, stay safe.